What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next Malin. I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, before this video even starts, bro, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, click the like button right now, and don't forget to click that bell, bro. Alright, so do all that before the video even starts, man. Let's get straight into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, guys, today we'll be telling y'all, look, I'm not against dreads. I have dreads. I'm not, look, I'm all for dreads, bro. But I'm about to, if you already have dreads, you get what I'm saying. Or if you don't have dreads and you're thinking about getting dreads, just think about this. Just keep all this in mind that I'm about to tell y'all. Alright, so first off is, dreads get annoying sometimes. Alright, especially if you play a sport, bro. When you run, bro, you gotta, look, if you play a sport, look, get one of these. Before you even get your dreads, bro, go ahead and get a headband. Get a Nike headband, Nike sweatband, you feel me? Pull your dreads back. Alright, pull your dreads back. So then when you're running, you can actually run, bro. You understand what I'm saying? You can actually run, cause, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, alright, get them dreads y'all want to. Y'all in the sport, y'all gonna be, it's just gonna be slapping you on your face, right? And especially like if you play football, wear a wave cap. A lot of y'all wear a wave cap or something like, or a cap that keeps your, first off, keeps your twist from unraveling, and second of all, keep your dreads out your eyes. That's second of all. Alright, so yeah, make sure I do all that. And one person asked me like, look, my hair keeps unraveling. Look, bro, you gonna have to tie your cap tighter, bro. Especially if you're wearing a helmet. Now, another thing is, if it keeps unraveling, then you just gonna have to deal with it, bro, and just probably just wait until you get your hair retwisted again. You understand? It's something light though. It's simple though. It ain't nothing too much to be worried about. All right. So another thing is, before you even get dreads, think about this. Your dreads are like sponges. You can literally walk up to a person, smell their dreads. I'm not saying do this. I'm just saying you can walk up to a person, smell their dreads, and like, okay, he work at a fast food restaurant because his hair smell like grease. Bro, look, what I'm trying to tell y'all is, your dreads are like sponges. All right, they capture everything. They capture smoke. They capture all type of, you know what I'm saying? They capture everything. They capture water real good. So that's why I call it a sponge. All right, another thing is, it's hard to wash. It's not like regular hair. It's not literally hard to wash. It's not hard to wash, but it's difficult and it's different to wash. Yeah, I call it different to wash. It's different to wash because you got to use way different products. You got to use certain type of products. You understand? Especially if you're going to cleanse your dreads, you got to use shampoos and conditioners that don't leave no residue. Because I just told y'all, they like sponges, and you have heavy shampoos in your hair, it's going to be stuck in your hair, and all you're going to be seeing is like shampoo and stuff in your hair. And also another thing is, they kind of hard to dry. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. When I did my ACV rinse, bro, that video that I did for y'all, I didn't even dry my hair. That's why you see, exactly. I didn't dry my hair good. I'm not gonna say I didn't dry my hair at all. Nah, I used the air drying method, and it didn't go as planned. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, another one is, I just told y'all, the early stage of unraveling. I really want to talk about this because bro really asked me a question, and some other folks keep asking me a question. Alright, so look, I'm not gonna cap to y'all. I had the same problem of my hair unraveling. All I did, bro, but I had it in the back. I said this like a couple videos back, but I had it in the back. So, but you see, I ain't got no dreads in the back now. You see, I ain't got no dreads back there. That's the reason is, I used to be in class, I used to be in church, I used to be slumped over, right? And y'all know at the beginning of y'all dread stages, you don't want to be messing with your dreads, so you don't even want to hop in the shower like and let your dreads get wet, or hop in the pool, let your dreads get wet, because they're not formed yet. So basically, my back of my hair will always unravel. So what I did was, I just cut the back off and had a fade right there. And you can't even tell because my hair is so long, but I don't have a back. It's that simple. I don't have a back. I have a fade. I have a fade all around the side, to be 100 with y'all. I got a fade all around the side. It's kind of like a high top, I guess you can. I guess you can say it's a high top fade dread, but yeah. But I got like a little bit. I still got like a little bit like right here. You understand? So it really ain't like a high top like a boxer like y'all would say. But look, if you got any other questions for me down below, comment down below. Any products, I done made a video about products. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Also follow all my social medias, and they will be in the link in the description, so make sure you go follow, do all that right now. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like right now. Peace.